Hi, hello, Vanakam. Do you know who is the goddess of the cosmic egg? On the fourth day of Navratri, the Mother Divine is worshipped in the form of Kushmanda Devi. She is the fourth Navadurga. Before that, if you have not seen the first three form of Navadurga, please check the link in the description below. Devi Kushmanda is known as Ashtabhuja, the one with 8 hands. She holds a kamandal, bow, arrow, a jar of nectar, discus, mace, rosary, and lotus. She radiates a golden light as this form of Devi resides in the sun's core, thus sustaining Suryalok. Sitting on a tiger, Devi Kushmanda denotes dharma and justice. She holds a rosary in one hand, blessing her devotees with Ashtasiddhi, the 8 supernatural powers as elaborated in ancient yoga, and Navanidhis, 9 different types of wealth. What Devi Kushmanda represents? It is believed that there was darkness everywhere when the universe did not exist. Devi Kushmanda smiled, and the light of her smile created the universe, residing in the core of the sun. Kushmanda Devi provides energy to the sun, the provider of light and energy to the entire world. Since she created the universe, she is also called Jagat Janani. Legend behind why the Devi took the form of Kushmanda. It is believed that the supreme goddess of power, Adi Parashakti, appeared in the form of Siddhiratri, emerging from the left side of Lord Shiva's body. After taking this form, Goddess Parvati resided inside the core of the sun and was known as Kushmanda Devi. The name Kushmanda is made of 3 words: Ku, that is little, Ushma means warmth or energy, and Anda is egg. Kushmanda also refers to a ball of energy. Interestingly, the pumpkin is also called Kushmanda. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.